Hi guys, we're going to be reviewing the Lightning Blaster. Like this. I want to show you the features. Like if you see this, this right here. If you see that, this will come back. Like watch. You could do that. Gosh. Alright. Alright, and if you take this off, which I'm not going to take it off, if you take this bottom piece off, like you see that, you just flip, you just do that, and then that comes off. And I'll show you what the gun sounds like. I'll show you what the gun sounds like. You see, I had 4 pieces. My clip was full, now it's like that's the gun. And also right here it lights up. This is the review of the Lightning Blaster. I hope you like it. Well,